up in her bag. She don't wanna look into her past. She tell me she just want a real man. Tell me she just want a real man. She just wanna get up in her bag. She don't wanna look into her past.
Hey guys, as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you all how to make YouTube thumbnails. These are easy to make, and the two apps that I'm going to be showing you guys are free. So the first thing we're going to be doing is looking for a background. I just type in pastel backgrounds, but literally you can type in anything and choose any background. Pinterest is a good place to look for backgrounds because they have many different options, but in the purposes of this video, I just did something super simple. Once you select the background and save it to your phone, you want to open up the app called Pixar. This is a 100% free app. You want to make sure that you crop this photo out to be in the ratio of 16:9 because this is the ratio for the YouTube thumbnails. For my background, I'm going to add a glitched out effect to it to make it pop out a little bit more. So to do that, I just opened up stickers and I typed in glitch effect. And once I found the sticker that looked most appropriate, I enlarged it and I put the opacity to lower so you can still see the background a little bit, but also see that it's glitched out. All I'm doing now is looking up different stickers to incorporate into the thumbnail, and anything that pops out to me, I pretty much use. With any sticker that I add into these thumbnails, I always add a shadow just because it gives it a more dimension. I'm speeding this part up because this is really subject to whoever's creating the thumbnail. It's no real way or specific way to do it. It's really just trying to be creative and make it the most interesting. Now that I feel like the background is set up to how I like it, I'm going to incorporate the photo. As you guys can see, I tried to incorporate the photo, but I forgot to blur out the background. To erase the background, all you have to do is open up a new project and press on cut out, and then you can just cut out the person. Pixar does this for you for free, and it's a very useful tool. Once it's shaped to how you want it, all you have to do is save it and then go back to your originally saved project with the background and add photo. You can do this with however many photos, but I only did one for the purposes of this video. But to get that outline border, all you have to do is click on border and press the color that you want. I normally choose white just because it normally goes with the background. But you want to always make sure that you do your main photo last, because as you go on with incorporating different stickers and emojis and pictures, the last thing that you incorporate is going to be at the top of the photo. For some reason, the cute text bubble that I had earlier erase, so I'll just incorporate it again and added the shadow like I did last time. Once you've finished up with that, all you have to do is save the photo and then open up Fonto. Once you've opened up Fonto, you want to load the image that you previously just saved. I always choose the Vibrance filter just because to me it pops out the most, but you don't have to do this. You can do whatever filter you want or no filter at all. Now it's time for you to add the text. I'm just going to be putting thumbnails on iPhone for free and easy, so you guys can pretty much watch what I'm doing here. All I'm doing is really messing around, trying to figure out which works best for me, like the style, the color, the curve, the stroke, just anything to make the text pop out more. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the ending to see the final product of the thumbnail. I know that I didn't go into very much detail in this video, so if I have to make another detailed version of this, then I'll be more happy to do so. Just let me know if something wasn't explained to the fullest capacity, and I'll be happy to make another one of these videos for you all. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell to be notified for whenever me and Joni post. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.